alaikum class 5. Hope you all are doing well. Those students who have submitted their work on time, I appreciate you all. First of all, clap for yourself for taking daily online lecture and submitting your work on time. So let's move towards our lecture. Open your book, exercise 1B, page number 10. So on page number 10 we have question number 6. On question number 6 they have asked us write the number which is more than. More than means we have to add it up. If they are asking less than, then we have to subtract the value. So in question number 6 we have more than. So we will add 5000 in 245624, then we will have our answer. Just like this, you have to solve all the question by adding the first value and the second value, then you will have your answer on your notebook. Then we have question number 10. In question number 10 they have asked us less than, so we have to subtract the second value from the first value, then we will have our answer. As we know, in subtraction we will write the biggest value on the upper side and the smallest value on at the lower side, so we will have our answer. So the rest all the parts you have to do in your homework on your notebook. So we have question number 11. In 11 the question is given us in the data handling methods, just like we have done in our previous class. So how we will find out the answers of the following? In first they have asked us how many people live in Rawalpindi then in Islamabad. We will subtract the people living in Rawalpindi from the people living in Islamabad, then we will have our answer. So in question number 2 they have asked after Islamabad which city has most people, how many people live in this city and Faisalabad combined. So they have asked us that Faisalabad have the most people living in them, then after that which city have the most people living. So we have Rawalpindi, then we will combine the people of Faisalabad and Rawalpindi, then we will get our answer. Here we got the two answers. So in part C, what is the total populations of Multan and Rawalpindi? Total means combined, so we will add the people of Multan and Rawalpindi, then we will have our answer. Then in part D we have which city has the lowest number of people. Which city has the lowest number of people? You have to find them out in this. Then you have to write that what is the difference in population between the city Faisalabad. वो कह रहे हैं कि हमने सबसे लोएस्ट फाइंड आउट करना है कि किसमें है, फिर उसका हमने डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है फैसलाबाद से. इफ़ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ पेशावर इज एडेड टू द Quetta. If we add the population of Peshawar and Quetta, how many people are all together? So if we add them up, we have our answer. So that's it for your today's lecture. You have question number 6, 10 and 11 in your homework. You have to solve this part in your homework on your notebook. Hope you understand the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.